How to use your scissors like a razor with advanced texturizing techniques to create an amazing graduated bob with lived-in texture. How to cut with a definite side parting. Moving up the head shape, I create volume in the next section, directing my scissors from underneath, creating graduation and movement underneath. This will direct the movement up, creating even more texture and volume. Now directing my scissors towards the face, I will direct the texture forward. This is the mechanics of this technique. The shorter the lengths, push and direct the longer lengths. Now, in the crown zone, I mix my directions up and down. This will create a combination of directions, creating perfect, quirky, lived-in texture. We now cut our face frames, cutting short diamonds, cutting from underneath to push the hair forward and from above to open up the eye and enhance her cheek bone. We continue this process with each section getting slightly longer. We now visually remove any weight in the zone, enhancing more texture and movement. In the fringe zones, I direct my texture down. And in the top, I direct my texture up to build volume. This will help the longevity of the shape, creating maximum We now repeat the same process on the opposite side. If you are not familiar with this technique, I highly recommend learning this. Your clients will love you for it. I use this technique in all lengths of hair. You can work heavier and thicker hair and a lot lighter and thinner hair textures. Take your skills further. Join my membership program for less than $2 per week. Exclusive members only masterclasses. Invest in your skills today. Join now for instant access. Now that we've completed the cut, we've created a soft textured bob that feels soft, balanced, and effortless. The graduation through the back gives the haircut support and shape, while the layering through the sides keeps it light and connected. If you haven't watched part 1, how to cut a definite parting in a bob haircut, I will link it in the bio below. And if you're interested in the masterclass, check this out. Today we're transforming a layered bob into a short textured bob. Master diagonal graduation for a modern head-hugging shape. How to cut with a definite side parting. How to use your scissors like a razor with advanced texturizing techniques to create an amazing graduated bob with lived-in texture. Tap the link to watch now.